Hello, people of planet Earth. My name is Toju Kafa, and you're welcome to my daily crypto show where I talk about blockchains and cryptocurrencies. Today, I want to talk about this Twitter ban on cryptocurrency. It has been confirmed, people. It is confirmed that Twitter is banning cryptocurrency. It's no longer a rumor, guys. And this news is from Cointelegraph. Now, Twitter told Reuters that the ban will cover advertising for initial coin offerings and token sales. The policy will be introduced over the course of the next 30 days and will also include bans on cryptocurrency exchanges and wallet services, unless they are public companies and are listed on major stock exchanges. Twitter said it will limit advertisement for crypto exchanges in Japan to those under the purview of the national financial regulator. Now, this is it, guys. And if you look at coin market cap today, the price is down. And there's this. Okay, let's check coin market cap. If you check coin market cap today, the price is down. Price of cryptocurrency is down. And there's this news by one other news agency that is suggesting that it is this confirmation of the ban that's bringing down the price. Well, I don't feel this is valid. I don't think this is enough to bring down the price of cryptocurrencies. I think this ban on some cryptocurrency related advertisement is actually not all that terrible, because in the market right now there are a lot of scams. A lot of these ICOs are scams. There's no underlying value, and the people just understand right now that they can actually ask people for money, and so they're asking. So uh, I want to show you guys there's this other news by finance magnates about Twitter CEO. The CEO of Twitter is Jack Dorsey. Jack Dorsey, and he has a very positive view of cryptocurrencies, which is very ironical because Twitter is banning cryptocurrencies, and yet listen to what this guy has to say about cryptocurrencies. He says the world ultimately will have a single currency. The internet will have a single currency. I personally believe that it will be Bitcoin. Darcy acknowledged that Bitcoin would need to face formidable technical challenges before it will be suitable for widespread use. Now, these guys already know that this is where the world is going, guys. Blockchain technology is going to change a lot of things. It's already changing a lot of things. I mean, right now, I can make posts on Steemit and earn money, something which is not possible with other centralized and effective social media that steal your content and give to sell it to people. Okay, let's not go there now. But these guys, they know what's happening, guys, and as the price is coming down, as you panic, for guys are selling your bitcoins, these CEOs are buying to dip. You can be sure of that. And Darcy, I love this guy. Man. And this is what he has to say about Bitcoin. He says um, Bitcoin will face some formidable technical challenges before it is suitable for widespread use, saying that Bitcoin network was slow and costly. Now, this is fact. Bitcoin right now sucks. This is not where Bitcoin ought to be right now. The transaction fees are too much and slow. But there are other, really cool cryptocurrencies like Steam that are super fast and are free. They don't require any transaction fees. And EOS is using that same principle too. So, however, I believe that as more and more people have Bitcoin, those problems with Bitcoin will go away. There are newer technologies that build up blockchain and make it more approachable. And one of these technologies that makes Bitcoin, or that will make Bitcoin better, is the Lightning Network. The Lightning Network is basically another layer of technology on the Bitcoin network that is going to make Bitcoin free and fast. And Dorsey's has another company called Square, and Square is one of the major contributors, investors in the company that is developing this Lightning network. So These guys are investing. I mean, there's a saying, "Put your money where your mouth is," right? And he has said nice stuff about Bitcoin, and he's already investing in Bitcoin. So don't go around believing that Twitter banning Bitcoin is just because of ban. Twitter didn't ban Bitcoin. Point of correction. Sorry about that. Twitter banned cryptocurrency advertising, and the reason they are banning this cryptocurrency advertising because there are a lot of scams out there, and it's really hard. It's difficult to actually fish out the scams from the legit ICOs. So they just ban everything all together, and some ICOs will. I'm sure they are going to. The reason for this ban is because there's no regulation right now. The government agencies they are still trying to figure out how to regulate the cryptocurrency space, which by design does not want to be regulated. So we're just going to keep, watching the way things go, guys. This is actually very interesting. Now, let me just read this last one. Dorsey told MarketWatch that Bitcoin for us is not stopping at buying and selling. We do believe that this is a transformational technology for our industry. I want to learn as quickly as possible. I have a question for you guys. How how much are you learning about Bitcoin? These are the major guys, the CEOs, the big boys, in the industry, and they are learning, guys. They are learning, and they are building stuff on the blockchain. Bitcoin presents an opportunity to get more people access to the financial system. Now, this is very important, guys. Take blockchain technology seriously, take cryptocurrency seriously, and you should know that it's not restricted to just finance. Everything can be built on a blockchain. Everything you have, every business can actually be can actually use blockchain technology. All right. So that's all from me today, guys. My name is Tojo Kaka. Thank you very much for watching. Uh, be good. Stay blessed. Bye bye.